Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a hours to minutes converter app in code.org app lab. I have opened the app lab. To open the app lab, we will click on create, then we will get the option of app lab and we can create and come here. So first we will take a button. First we will design and take a button. When we will click the button, it will calculate the hours into minutes. Then we will take a text input so that we can type a number here, and when we will click on calculate, it will show the answer on label. So we'll take a label here. We will set the font size of the label as 35. And we will set the border width at 5. And we will name this button as label ANS, and this text input as N, input N, and button as C. C means calculate. We will erase the text on label. We will take a we will change the name of text input placeholder as give a we will write hours. We have done the designing. First we will name the button as calculate. Then now our designing is finished. Now we will code this app. We will take an on event. On event means when we will click on button C, then we will take a set text and set number. Then we will give the ID of label ANS, and then we will take multiply operator here from maths. Then we will again go to UI controls. Now we will take get number. We will give ID of text input N, and we will, after this we will write 60. Our coding is finished, so we will see how this app is working. I will write here 2 hours. I will calculate. 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. So here is one problem. Now we will get like this. We have to show minutes. So we will reset it, go to maths. Again we will take a plus operator. Here we will write 60 and here we will take a now we will write here, we will take space and write here minutes, M-I-N, and we will close it. Yes, now we will see how it works. Here we will write 2 hours, calculate 1 minute. Sometimes code.org gets hanged. Now we will see how it works. 1, calculate, again we have to refresh it. Yes, now I got the problem. So first we will take off this get number. Now we will set this multiply. Now we will take this. Again we will take multiply operator. Now I have got. Then I will go to UI controls. Then I will take get number here, get number ID we will set as text input. So it will multiply the number given in text input by 60. So we'll now we will take a quotation mark, we will set space, and then we will type here minute, M-I-N, and quotation mark closed. Now it will show. Run. Here I will give 1 hour, calculate 60 minutes. Now it's working properly. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.